The Department of Public Works and Highways, or DPWH, targets to construct another navigational gate in Navotas for the welfare of its residents. Along with that is the agency's continuing validations of other flood control projects, including those implemented in the past administration. Let's have more details from Patrick Gupo.
For residents of Barangay Daanghari in Navotas, the pumping stations and floodgates built in their area have brought much needed relief. Residents say they no longer experience knee-high flood water like they used to. Both the residents and the Department of Public Works and Highways attribute this to the positive impact of the flood control facilities and other initiatives in the area.
Maganda po, wala na po tayong baha, hindi na po tumataas ang tubig dito.
Siguro po dahil sa marami ng pumping na itinayo, pero noon po talaga inaabot kami na hanggang bewang yung tubig.
Dahil dun sa tatlong nagawang yon, may relief this year. No? Siyempre, hindi pa fully na nawala yung baha, pero according to the residents and to Mayor, malaki yung naitulong nun.
However, Dizon says 3 more pumping stations in the city still need repairs. Apart from that, they also target to construct another navigation gate in the Navotas city waters. Dizon stressed that close coordination between the national and local governments is crucial to making flood control projects work.
Dahil sa coordination namin na yun, mayroong kagad epekto for this year. Hindi pa completely na-solve yung problema, pero papunta tayo doon. So baby steps tayo.
While doing this, the agency is also continuing its review to pending flood control projects, noting that hundreds of cases could be filed over almost 400,000 flood control projects implemented under the previous administration if irregularities are found.
Kapag merong nakitang mali, then mag-graduate na yan into fact-finding and possible cases to be filed by the Office of the Ombudsman. So tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Daang-daang kaso yan. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dyan. No?
The DPWH is keeping in their mind the help of flood control measures to public when it's done or executed accordingly. Patrick Gupo, IBC News.